If you create hundreds of coupons for a new campaign and want them to be applied to all the categories in your store, except to the technology category, you'd normally have to follow these steps. Go to WooCommerce Coupons. Open a coupon. Go to Usage Restrictions. Select the category you want to restrict. Save changes. That's great. You're done with one coupon, but you're still missing hundreds of them to edit. Of course, that's something tedious, boring, and time-consuming. That's why we want to share with you a great solution. We'll edit the category restrictions for hundreds of coupons using the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. It displays all your coupons on a spreadsheet where you can edit values in seconds using the bulk edit tool. Also, you can export and import information using CSV files, so you can perfectly create coupons and edit their category restrictions in Excel and then just import them to WooCommerce using this plugin. It's designed to help you save a lot of time by doing in minutes what normally would take you hours. You can download it using the link in the description of this video. First, we'll see how to add category restrictions individually using the spreadsheet. Even if you do so, you can save a lot of time because you just need to go to the Exclude Categories column and select the categories you want to exclude from your coupons. You can enter one category, or enter several categories separated by commas. After that, just click on Save to apply the changes. This way you don't need to open your coupons one by one. You just edit a lot of coupons and save changes once. It's so simple. Now let's see how to add category restrictions using a CSV file edited with Excel or Google Sheets. First, we'll export our coupons to a CSV file to edit it with any of the mentioned spreadsheet editors. For that, hit Export on the top toolbar. We'll not export all columns. Instead, we'll just select ID, title, coupon amount, and exclude categories. These are the 4 columns we'll export. Once selected, just export them and the CSV will be downloaded to our computer. As you can see, we've opened the CSV with Google Sheets, but you could open it with Excel or any other CSV editor. We just need to edit the values in the Exclude Categories column and then save changes. Now we'll import all this info to WooCommerce with the coupon spreadsheet. For that, just hit Import on the top toolbar. Now select the CSV from your computer and hit Next. After that, select Import All Columns. Match the coupon IDs and import. It's that simple. As you can see, all the info was imported successfully. You can save a lot of time editing this and any other field with the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. It allows you to edit changes on the spreadsheet, use the bulk edit, or import changes from Excel, so you have many options to save a lot of time. Download it using the link in the description and visit our website to get live chat support for free. Subscribe and don't miss any of our videos.